Hi, I'm Charlie Kasov. I'm a math teacher, and today we're going to learn how to use front-end estimation when adding decimals. So front-end estimation is basically like saying 41 plus 89, and you can estimate by saying, well, this is close to 40 and this is close to 90, so 40 plus 90 is 130. And this one also happens to be 130, but if we change this to a 2, we would still estimate it the same way. It's close to 40, close to 90, so it's estimated at 130. Now, if we have decimals, we could say 3.37 plus 4.81 plus 2.77. And what we're going to do here is we're going to add these numbers up first. So 3 plus 4 plus 2 is 7, 9. And then we take the decimals and we round to the nearest tenth. So we say 0.4, 0.8, and 0.8. So 0.4 plus 0.8 plus 0.8 is going to equal 2.0. So we say 9 plus 2 is 11. So when we use front-end estimation with decimals, we add the units digits, then we add the rounded to the nearest tenth digit. And that is front-end estimation. So I'm Charlie Kasov. Thanks a lot.